Hi friends, today we are going to look at expert levels in Sketch Nation. So first I'm going on create a game, then you can choose any, I'm choosing platformer, then I'm choosing expert and I'm choosing SD. Then I'm going to draw my background, just something. Okay, when you draw your background, you can see here background scroll, fast, medium. I'm gonna do fast. There's all directions, up, down, and left, right. I want to choose left, right, and tile background. So it's one by one, so it's gonna show just what you have drawn. Over here it's gonna double them, and over here it's gonna double them, double. It'll make it bigger. Then here's the obstacle. You can draw the obstacles. Then fill it just correct. And then here's when removed, explode. When jumped on, bounce, bounce, bounce. No movement. Then go. I'm gonna keep my goal as like that. And back. And I'm not gonna have any. But storytelling is a thing. If we go on that, it will tell something. So here I'm gonna put large, and if we put on text and write and then when you go back and you edit it, there is this, and when you just keep it, I think I kept it up. If I keep it down over here, hi, let's play, and that's the thing what happened in story over here. You know. Then I'm gonna make my level like that. You can edit your levels, then you can go back, make another level. Then when you're done playing this, when this level is totally completed, there is like that. But then if you play, because that was just a test, but then when you play the game, then you see level 2 over here on this side and over here at top. I mostly prefer this because this is the closest to me. Sorry. Then I made it hard. Then, but this is the last level. That's why it's gonna show we try. And over here, it's you win your score. I didn't get any power up, so we didn't have it score. But then, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel.